Hello, everyone. Well, like a kid with a bag of candy, I just can't wait when I get challenge locks. So here we have challenge lock number 4 by Halfzipp, the Lockpicking Welder. It's a quick set, and let's try to pick it in hand. Right, I got a little turn on the core right there when I hit pin 1. Got a little bit more turn on the core, hit pin 5. Um, 5 or 4 is binding. I set it, and we're open. Alright, so let's see what we got in here. Uh-oh, I didn't bring my gut wrench that I got. I gotta go get it. I'll be right back. Where are you, gut wrench? There you are. I forgot I had to organize things, so I couldn't find it. Alright, let's get this up here. Let's move this down so we don't get anybody out of focus or anything. So, this is one of those little guys right here. We should just be able to. Which one does him? This guy? No. I don't remember. We'll just push him. We'll just pull him out. There we go. Follower, follower. We need a follower. And we need a shim. Always shim. Especially challenge looks. Right, there's some sharp. Oops. Starting to push the cord out. Gotta watch out for that. It's not quite ready yet. Alright, what have we got here? I think this guy's correct. Yeah, looks like he's the right size. Oh yeah, it's a good thing I shimmed. Look at that skeletonized quick set core. Make sure which way's the pins. Ooh, I was gonna turn it the wrong way. Alright, so we got some wickedness going on in here. Pin 1 out. Pin 1 appears to be standard. Pin 2 is T-pinned. Very nice T-pin on it. Oh, wow. Get me tweezers. It's got a T-pin and a couple of serrations. Very cool. I like that T-pin. I really like the way that one looks. Oh, this guy looks like a hollow point bullet. Oh, it's a BB. It's the old ball bearing. I've never seen anybody do it on key pins before. That's interesting. What we got here? A very nice serrated guy. And another kind of T-pinish guy on number 5. Oh, yes. T-pin and spooled. I was feeling a spool for sure. We have threading on 2, 4, and 5. 3 has been undercut or widened really at the top. This diameter appears larger. Very interesting. Very interesting. All right, let's see what we got in the core here. I mean the Bible. Turn it upside down. Look at where everybody can see it. I'll pull my shim out. You've done your job. Thank you, shim. Thank you very much. Alright. Oh, T-pinned. More like not T-pinned, but tapered at the top. Oh, crap-o. I'm doing this at the table. I better not. Better watch out. Come out, spring. Draw cut and call. Thank you very much. Steel spring. Right. Very interesting spool. I'll show you when I get down to that one. Chamber number 2 is threaded. Copper spring. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm going to see where'd it go. Right there. Let's see what we got now. Focus, you camera. Come on. Ooh, ah. I'm on that bouncy thing, too. Stop it. In-flight turbulence. Your captain has turned on the fasten your seatbelt sign. Oh, more ball bearings. That was in number... This guy was... Oh, he was... The ball bearing mated up with ball bearing. And then we have a very nice mushroom pin in pin 4. Trying to get the spring out for... Excuse me here, bumping things. Well, let's just pull out the T-pin that wants to come out. Quit bouncing! Earthquake, earthquake, warning, warning. That's the problem with that. I'm going to get me a proper tripod here when I get money again. If I get money again. Right, you are number 5. Get over there. And these springs are not cooperating. Let's pull them out from the back here if they want to come out. I don't have my other tweezers with me. I was unprepared as usual. Get in there. I'm a fool. I think we're going to leave the other one in there, the little guy that doesn't want to come out. Ooh, a double coiled. This is a copper and a steel spring coiled in there. Well, you know what? Since he did that, we better check out the spring in number 3, because it's probably something unusual. Come out. We see you. I'll see part of him. He doesn't want to come out. There's probably something tricky. We'll use a pick to dig him out. Come on, you. It's your curtain call. You want to be on camera, don't you? Anyway, he refuses to come out. There's like a little lip there or something he's engaging in. I said, get out, I mean, get out. No, this guy's not cooperating. It's going to take me longer to get the spring out than anything else. Anyways, what we have in the Bible here is chamber number 2 is threaded. 3 is not. Yes, it is. 3 has got some threading. I think that's why the spring is stuck. That's why I stopped threading the Bible, is the tendency for these springs. Although this did a good job. It looks like all chambers are threaded except for number 1 in the Bible. And let's look at these pins here. Bring this guy over. Get him to do some zoomage. Uh-oh. Focus. Does that look good? It does, but it's not with the right angle. We'll move this guy over here. There we go. Alright, so what we have in pin 1 is a standard pin with some tapering on the driver. A steel spring. Number 2 has got an excellent looking little T-pin. Look at that guy. And a really excellent spool that has serrations in the middle of the spool and on either end. That's very cool. This guy's little spring doesn't want to come out, but it looks like a steel spring, and you've got the double ball bearing or the double chain thing going on, which is very cool. We have a double wrapped spring here, copper and steel, on number 4 with a very nice mushroom pin and a very nice serrated, slightly tapered driver. It's got a very nice key pin on number 5. That's a spool plus a very nice lipped sharp serration there. T-pin on top with 2 very nice serrations and a steel spring. So, thank you for watching. This was an excellent lock by Halfzipp. I'm going to have to see if I can find him and subscribe to him. I don't think I have, but excellent work there for his number 4 challenge lock. Thank you for watching, and happy picking, everyone.